Hi everyone, in this Framer tutorial we're gonna create this awesome 3D flip animation that's triggered by the section in the view using Framer's great 3D transform features and scroll variant effect. The icons component shows a different icon as we scroll with the 3D flip animation that belongs to the content card in the view. You can find the remix link in the description below, so let's get started. Let's check the icons component first. You can see it has a sticky position, which makes it possible to stay on the screen until we reach to the end of the content stack. And our content cards have scroll sections assigned that we can use under scroll variant effect settings. Let's check the scroll variant effect settings that we applied to the icons component. As you can see, icons component switches to its first variant when the section 1 or the first card is in the view, switches to second variant when the second one is in the view, etc. When we go to its component screen, we can see its variant 1 has an appear transition to variant 1.2, and it happens in 2 seconds, as we can see under its transition settings. And variant 1.2 has first section's icon visible, which is placed under icon wrapper top frame. As you can see under its transform settings, we rotate it around x-axis and maximize its opacity to make it fully visible. When we switch to variant 2, we make the previously active icon wrapper top's X rotation minus 360 to take it to its original position with some extra rotation for a nice animation. Then we continue with another appear transition to make the second section's icon visible, which is under icon wrapper right under variant 2.2. Taking it to top by rotating every other icon around z-axis. And since icon wrapper frames have the same size with the surrounding icons wrapper frame or our icons component, all rotations happen around the same origin, creating a harmonious and consistent transform. And when we scroll down to the last content card, which doesn't have any content since it is a placeholder to create a nice transition to variant 5. As you see, the last variant doesn't have any icon visible since it serves as an outro animation at the end of our content section. We can go back to home screen and check our animation again. With the starting variant 0, as soon as the first card is in the view, icons component shows us its icon, and thanks to the scroll variant effect and the 3D rotations we set, we see these nice icon switch animations with the rotations around multiple axes. That creates a really slick and nice way of presenting our content. And with that, we wrap our tutorial up. I hope you liked it. If you want to see more, be sure to subscribe, turn the notifications on, check my other tutorials, and see you in the next one.